Here in Dallas today in North Texas, we had a beautiful sunset developing, some high-level cirrus clouds rotating their way on through. That sky will change the next few days because of the tropical moisture increasing. Right now, we're sitting at 84 degrees at DFW with our winds out of the east at 5, dew points in the mid-50s. Remember that number because that's going to change as well. Hour by hour tomorrow, we start out at 74. We warm to 96, a lot of sunshine on the way. Our winds will be out of the east-northeast near about 10. But let's talk about the tropics. Here is Tropical Depression Marco, made landfall in the mouth of the Mississippi River right around 6 o'clock this evening and now is making its way to the west at 9 miles per hour. The center is now 45 miles west of the mouth of the Mississippi River with winds sustained at 35 miles per hour. So it's going to ride almost due west. I don't expect a lot of strengthening. We might see a little bit overnight, but I do expect it to really just decrease in intensity through tomorrow and then rain itself out. Going into Tuesday evening, you see winds sustained near 30 miles per hour, but still some flooding rains are possible. As we take a look at the radar right now, you're able to see that we do have the rain from Marco in parts of Louisiana. A lot of storms in the parts of the panhandle of Florida because of Marco, and seeing some rain near the west tip of Cuba because of Laura. Here is Laura right now, that center of circulation 80 miles northeast of the western tip of Cuba, moving west-northwest at 20. It's pretty fast. Winds are sustained at 65 miles per hour. I think the forward movement will slow down just a bit, and that's going to allow Laura to increase in intensity. You notice Category 1 hurricane by tomorrow evening, then Wednesday, through the day on Wednesday, really seeing rapid intensification and possibly very close to a major hurricane as it gets very close to making landfall, possibly southwest sides of Louisiana, and then just on that border of Louisiana and Texas near the Port Arthur area before downgrading to a Category 1 hurricane by Thursday morning, and then raining itself out, tropical storm through parts of the Mississippi River Valley, and then making its way off to the east. So we talked about the hurricane watches and tropical storm watches that are in effect right now and remaining in effect through Thursday. But look at this, the potential storm surge. You see this red color there, that's at least 9 feet or higher, possibly 9 to 11 feet in parts of Louisiana, even stretching back towards parts of Sabine Pass, Lake Charles area as well. So there are storm surge watches in effect. So the tropical storm wind probability, you notice, going into Thursday up to 80% or higher in some spots. So what can we expect? You can see that we're going to see possibly winds gusting up to near 43 in Port Arthur to near 89 miles per hour in Alexandria going into Thursday morning. Rainfall, the heaviest rain is going to be off towards the east, but still 4 to 8 inches of rain in some spots. We might get 1 to 2 with some maybe outer bands rotating their way on through. You see that on the future sky forecast, scattered showers mainly southeast from Marco, really dying out. And then this is what I wanted to point out to you. We're going to have temperatures, the dew point temperatures back into the 70s. So looking at the extended forecast, yes, we're cooler because of the cloud cover Wednesday, Thursday, but then Friday and Saturday near the triple digits. But with that tropical moisture in place, it's going to feel like maybe 105 or higher.